Hello people, I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to see the recipe of courgette or zucchini pancakes with an interesting dip. These pancakes are extremely healthy and super tasty. They are very easy and quick to make and kids love them. Courgette or zucchini is very high in fiber and water content. It improves our digestion and blood sugar levels. It equally helps in weight loss. The pancakes are going to be made in multigrain flour or mixed flour. One of them is jowar or sorghum, which we all know is very high in fiber and gluten-free. The other is chickpea flour, which is very high in protein. And the dip we are going to make is equally healthy. So, let's get started. Ingredients for the pancake: 1 courgette or zucchini. You can get it in any supermarket. Mixed flours. Proportion is mentioned in the video. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. Red chilli powder and salt as per taste. Oil for brushing the pan. And few mint leaves. Ingredients for the dip: flaxseed chutney. Recipe for flaxseed chutney is in the description box. You can refer the same. And yogurt. Let us see how to make the dip. Mix flaxseed chutney and the yogurt. Flaxseed chutney is made basically by roasting flax seeds and a few sesame seeds on low flame. Grind both flax seeds and sesame seeds along with some salt and sugar. A very quick recipe. Dip is ready now. Let us see how to make the pancake batter. Take grated courgette, add into the mixed flours. Here I have taken half of the courgette. It makes around 3 to 4 pancakes. Add in some turmeric, red chilli powder, salt, mix it well. Add in some water. That is the consistency you're looking for. Add the mint leaves. Mint leaves give a lovely flavor to the pancakes. Let us make the pancakes now. Brush some oil on the pan. Make sure that the pan is on medium heat. pancakes need to be cooked really well from inside out. Pour in the batter. These pancakes are generally soft in texture, so make sure you make small pancakes so that it is easy to flip. Cover it up. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2-3 minutes, let us check. Looks like it has been cooked on one side. Let us flip it. Look at the lovely golden color. That's what we're looking for. Let us take it out and make another pancake. Here are your lovely courgette pancakes with a delicious dip. Hi again. I hope you have liked my recipe. If you think you have really benefited from my recipe, do subscribe to my channel and leave back your comments. Thank you for watching my channel. See you soon.